Now we will discuss exercise 2.7. Question number 1 is find the values of the following. Okay. Question number 1 is 0.4 divided by 2. So if you remember what I have told, you have to convert it in fractional form. So 0.4 is 4 by 10, okay, divided by 2. Now 4 by 10, what you have to write? You have to multiply with reciprocal of the divisor. So reciprocal of the divisor will be 1 by 2. Okay. So it is 1 by 2, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2, 2 by 10, that is 1 0. So your decimal will shift towards left one place. This is 0.2. Now another example, question number 2. This is 0.35 divided by 5. So you have to write it in its fractional form. So 35, how many place after the decimal? 2 place. So you will write 2 zeros here. So divided by 5, and in denominator it is 1. Next is you have to multiply with the reciprocal of divisor. So this is, so 35 by 5, 35 by 5 is 7. So 7 by 100. Now how many place that decimal will shift towards left? 2 place. So 1, this is 1, another place. So here your decimal comes. So your answer is 0.07. Okay. And your homework will be 4, 6 and 8 of question number 1. Next is question number 2. You have to divide a decimal number by 10. Okay. So as we are dividing by 10, so how many place it will shift? For 1 0, 1 place. So your decimal will come here. So it will be 0.48. Take another example. Question number 3. 0.7 divided by 10. So here that is 0.07, and left will put another 0. See, your answer is 0.07. Your homework will be 4, 6 and 7. Okay. Next, question number 3. You have to divide it, a decimal number, by 100. So 2.7 divided by 100. That means when you are divided by 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So you have to shift these 2 0 towards left. This is one place, another place. So your answer will be 0, 2, 7, and at the end it is 0. Okay. Next is 0.3 divided by 100. So your decimal will shift 2 place left. So 1, 2. So your answer will be 0.003 and this. Your homework will be 4 and 6. Question number 4. That number you have to divide by 1000. Okay. Divide by 1000. When you are dividing by 1000, so you have to shift 3 place left this decimal point. Okay. So this is, here was your decimal point. So this 1, 2, 3. So 2 0. and at the end this is towards. Okay. Now 4 and 5 will be your homework. Next, question number 5. You have to divide this 7 divided by 3.5. So 7 divided by, you have to convert it in fractional form. So 35 by 10. Next step is you have to multiply with the reciprocal of divisor. So that will be, now 7 by 35 into 10. So 7 by 35 is 5. So 10 by 5, it is 2. Okay, your answer is 2. Now if you take another example, say question number 5. It is 0.5 divided by 0.25. So 5 by 10 it is, divided by 25 by 100. 5 by 10 multiplied by 100 by 25. So 100 by 10, you will write this multiple of 10 together and this together. That will make your calculation easy. So it is, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. So it is 10 by 5. It is 2. Another example, 2.73 divided by 1.3. So 273 by 100 divided by 13 by 10. 273 by 100, multiply it with the reciprocal of this. So 10 by 13. So 10 by 100 into 273 by 13. If I divide, this is 1 by 10. If I divide this, it will be 21. So it is 21 by 10. 21 by 10 means you are dividing by 10. So how many zeros? 1 0. So your decimal will shift 1 place. So it is 2.1. Your homework will be 3, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and question number 6 will be your homework. With this, we have reached to the end of this lesson. Please focus on each and every part of the concept. Try to understand it and solve it as many questions as you can. Thank you.